Okay, a very good morning to all of you, those who are there. Before I start with the class, children, your last date for the submission of your project is 11th of January. Art integrated project is 11th of February. Sorry, 11th of January. Fine.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
You all know about this or not?
Yes, ma'am, we know. 11th
What?
January.
11th January is the last date for the submission of your project.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Mm. Fine. I hope you all have your books with you.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Fine. But we have one more class together in the 6th period, right?
Ma'am, 6th period. Ma'am, that too we have with ma'am Ahuja sir, Gaurav sir.
That is your Gaurav sir's class.
Yes, ma'am.
Then how come it is given to me? No issues, देख लेंगे.
Okay, ma'am.
Hmm. Whatever it is, we'll see to it, okay? Okay. We were on the fair trial. Role of police and courts, we were on fair trial. Rest everything that is explained and read is understood to all of you? Class?
Yes, ma'am. All thing
Yes,
understood.
ma'am.
Fine.
Yes, ma'am.
Fine. So fair trial. Defense lawyer, public prosecution, the judge, everything is clear, no?
Yes, ma'am.
But I think I gave you one homework, no? To find out who was the first judge of the country, chief justice of country, then who was
No,
who, ऐसा कुछ दिया नहीं था हमने?
no, ma'am.
अच्छा, चलो. So you note this down. Let it be your activity in the 6th period. I will be asking you. Write down, class. Daksh and Kushagra.
Okay, ma'am.
Daksh, are you there? Daksh.
Ma'am, he is not connected to the audio.
पता नहीं क्या चक्कर है इन लोगों का. चलिए. Your first question that you are going to tell me is who was the first Chief Justice of India? ठीक है? First Chief Justice of India. Then you will tell me which Chief Justice of India had longest tenure and which Chief Justice of India had the shortest tenure. Fine?
Ma'am, this much only.
हाँ, these three activities only.
And ma'am, what about judge?
Chief Justice. हम CJI से related है, ठीक है?
Okay, ma'am.
Fine. Who is going to read? Siddhi, will you read for me the fair trial?
Okay, ma'am.
Beta, in this
Fair
particular
trial.
paragraph, wait. In this particular paragraph, they have simply told you that what exactly is a fair trial. ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए कि भाई judiciary में people are blaming कि भाई we did not get justice. It was not a fair trial. The public prosecutor was not able to present evidences, complete evidences against the person who was charged with who was considered as the convict, and the defense lawyer, like there should be a fair trial. There should not be biasness in presenting the case in the court. Weightage to both the people should be given, the one who is charged and the one who is putting the charges. Fair trial means that the public prosecutor, the defense lawyer, the judge, everybody listens and does their work in an unbiased manner, right? Right, class?
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Daksh. Now you are Rishabh, so change your name.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Children, Daksh has changed his name. His parents has changed his name. Now he is Rishabh. Okay.
मैम
Yes.
Okay, ma'am.
हाँ
मैम रियल
हाँ हाँ.
Why?
That is parents' decision, no? Why to put a question in that? Okay.
Ma'am, I will change my name in next class.
Fine, fine, no issues.
Okay,
चलिए
ma'am.
चलिए सिद्धि रीड बेटा.
Okay, ma'am. Fair trial. A trial is held to decide whether or not an accused is guilty. To ensure that the accused's right to life and liberty is not taken away arbitrarily, a fair trial must take place and due legal procedure should follow. For a fair trial to happen, following must be ensured. A trial should be held in open court in public view and in the presence of
page
the
number.
accused.
This is page number 285.
Okay, thank you, ma'am.
Hmm.
The accused is given a copy of the FIR, charge sheet, and the other evidence that the prosecution presents in the court. The accused is defended by a lawyer, own or state appointed. The defense lawyer has the opportunity to cross examine all the witnesses presented by the public prosecutor as well as present witnesses in defense of the accused. The decision of the judge is impartial, based only on the facts and evidences presented in the court. During the trial, the public prosecutor, defense lawyer, accused, witnesses, and the judge must be present. For a fair trial to happen and justice to take place, it is important that all the people we discussed in this chapter, that is, the police, judge, and the lawyers, carry out their functions impartially. To uphold the rule of law, which states that everyone is equal before the law, it becomes imperative that a fair trial is allowed.
Yes. Now see, this fair trial tells you that how the court proceeding takes place. Court proceedings can never be taken in a closed room. It has to be open for the public also. It has to be in an open room where the public can also witness the trial going on, right? Uh, whatever procedures are involved in the fair trial, all that are to be practiced in a religious manner. They say that a fair trial, when a fair trial happens and justice that has to take place, it is important that people, all those people who are involved, they should also be considered. And then only then only the judgment given by the judge will be considered as a judgment on the fair trial, right? Now, through this chapter, yes, beta.
मैम तो अगर किसी का भी केस चल रहा है हम लोग जाके बैठ सकते हैं.
हाँ, मनाही नहीं होती है बहुत ज्यादा. जैसे अब आज के डेट में अगर आप जाओगे तो ऑब्वियसली कोविड की वजह से मना करेंगे, बट वैसे ऐसा होता है कि भाई कोर्ट
मैम
में.
बट मूवीज में तो दिखाते हैं कि वो जो हवलदार अंदर जाने ही नहीं देते.
नहीं नहीं नहीं, ऐसा नहीं होता है. ऐसा नहीं होता है. जैसे कुछ एक लोग जो उस केस से रिलेटेड होते हैं, उन लोगों के लिए वो ओपन होता है ना. ये नहीं कि हर सारी भीड़ जाके बैठ रही है, ऐसा नहीं होता है. मतलब ऐसा भी बिल्कुल नहीं होता है कि बहुत खचाखच भरा हुआ है, और ऐसा भी बिल्कुल नहीं होता है कि खाली पड़ा है. 4-5 लोग, 6-7 लोग, 10-12 लोग जो भी उस केस से रिलेटेड होते हैं, दे आर ऑलवेज सिटिंग ओवर देयर, ताकि उन्हें पता रहे कि हाँ भाई क्या क्या चीजें हो रही हैं, किस तरीके से हो रही है, जस्ट टू विटनेस, राइट.
यस मैम.
हाँ, ठीक है. दिस वॉज ऑल अबाउट द रोल ऑफ पुलिस एंड द कोर्ट्स इन गिविंग जस्टिस to the person who suffers. Okay, now a short recapitulation. Tanishka. Tanishka, can you read for me, beta? Are you there?
Yes,
हाँ तनिष्का, read बेटा.
ma'am, recap.
Yes, recap.
The courts help in imparting justice to the guilty, while the police are responsible for catching the criminals and maintaining law and order. Police play an important role in maintaining law and order in the state. The highest police officer at the district level is the superintendent of police. Whenever a crime is committed, a report is prepared in the police station known as the First Information Report or FIR. After an FIR, the police carries out the investigation, gathers evidence, and files a charge sheet against the accused. The accused then undergoes a trial at the Court of Sessions judge. The court proceedings involve a judge,
Prosecution.
prosecution and defense lawyers, witnesses, prosecution and defense lawyer, witnesses, and the presence of the accused. A fair trial ensures that justice is meted out to the accused.
Very good.
Ma'am, done.
Very good. Very good. See, this is a short recapitulation. It tells you that what exactly we have read in the chapter. I hope this chapter is all clear and understood to all of you.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Let us discuss the exercises. Take 5 minutes to discuss, to find out the answers, and we start with the discussion, right? Right, class?
Yes, ma'am.
Start finding the answers.
Excuse me, ma'am.
जी बेटा बोलो.
Ma'am, as in this book, ma'am, it is written chowkidars are mainly appointed for catching culprits with police heads. So, ma'am, only this thing happen in village or ma'am in cities also?
नहीं विलेजेस में ही होता है. सिटीज में भी होंगे जो छोटे एरियाज होते हैं ना वहाँ पे.
Okay, ma'am.
Done?
Ma'am, done.
Okay. Bhavya is also joined, and I think Kushagra Singh Gautam has also joined. Let us discuss. Okay, who will answer? Beta, who will answer?
Ma'am, can I?
Yes, yes.
First MCQ dash decide how laws are to be applied to a specific case. Ma'am, court.
Okay, it is courts. Very good. Next.
Next, dash are responsible for maintaining law and orders. Ma'am, it is police.
It is police. Very good.
Police.
Very
Yes,
good.
ma'am.
Next.
Financial disputes will be heard in the civil cases.
Very good.
Then dash are appointed to help the police catch culprits in village. Ma'am, chowkidars.
Chaukidar. Very good.
Fifth, a report pertaining to cognizable offense received. Yes, ma'am.
Read.
Offense received at police station is called SHO.
No, FIR.
Sorry, ma'am.
Hmm.
Sorry, ma'am.
हाँ कोई नहीं
Ma'am,
कोई
I think who write down or who received that
नहीं. It is
thing.
not that. The written one only they are talking about. Okay. Has everybody marked? Has everyone
Yes,
marked?
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Chaliye. The public prosecutor presents next. Fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. Who will tell? Beta, who will tell these answers? Yes, Tanishka, tell beta.
Ma'am, I have done exercises.
Okay, fill in the blanks. B1.
Ma'am, done.
Tell. First one, read out the statement and give the answer.
Ma'am, the public prosecutor presents the case in the favor of the
In the favor of the बताओ बेटा भव्या are you there?
Yes, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
Morning. You have not read the chapter, no?
Ma'am, not fully.
Okay, no problems. Read it afterwards, okay? Vansh?
Yes.
Vanshraj?
Ma'am, can I?
Yes,
Yes,
Kumar?
ma'am.
Vansh, can you tell the answers or fill in the blanks? I think Tanishka got disconnected due to some network issues.
Ma'am, I know the first one. May I tell?
Okay, tell.
Ma'am, the public prosecutor presents the case in the favor of the criminal court.
Okay. No, in the favor of the state. In favor of the state.
Okay.
Next one. Try karo. Dash of our constitution provides. Vanshraj.
Yes, ma'am. Right.
ट्राई करो बेटा अभी तो टाइम दिया था हमने 5 मिनट्स का श्रेयांश आप करोगे बेटा? पार्थ आप ही बताओ बेटा।
मैम कहना है
यस यस सिद्धि बताओ।
Ma'am, which
मैम
one?
आर्टिकल
Ma'am, Article 22.
Very good. Article 22 of our Constitution provides safeguard against arbitrary arrest and detention. Very good. Next, a case of theft. A case of theft. Siddhi?
okay, ma'am. A case of theft will be tried in a criminal court.
Very good. Criminal code. Next, if a police officer refuses to accept an FIR, a complaint can be made to the where can the complaint be made, beta?
Ma'am,
Yes, Tanishka.
मैम कहना है
ma'am, to the High Court.
No, no. Yes,
मैम
Siddhi.
कहना है
Yes, Siddhi.
if a police officer refuses to accept an FIR, a complaint can be taken to the magistrate.
No, no. Superintendent of Police, SP. It is written in the book itself. Page 283. If the police officer refuses to record an FIR, a written complaint can be sent to the superintendent of police, either by post or in person, explaining the facts. Right? Right, class?
Yes, ma'am.
Fine.
Yes, ma'am.
Fine. Come to the next blank. Vanshika, you will tell. Anybody
Ma'am,
follow?
can you tell the fifth?
Read.
Okay, ma'am.
You want me to answer it?
Ma'am, 1 minute.
बोलो बेटा.
मैम कहना है
Yes, Siddhi.
ma'am, the police must write down the complaint when information regarding a cognizable offense is provided orally.
Very good. When regarding a cognizable offense is provided orally. So with this, A, B exercises are over. Coming to the C exercise. Who will tell?
Ma'am,
Vanshika.
can I?
Yes, Parth. बताओ बेटा.
Yes, ma'am.
Hmm.
First, the task of punishing culprits is fulfilled by the police. Ma'am, it is false.
Then who fulfills it?
Ma'am, because ma'am, a court ma'am, when a court give the judgment, then only police can do anything.
Very good.
Without any permission, they can't do.
Yes. So it is the
And
task of punishing culprit is fulfilled by the courts. Okay.
courts. Yes,
Next.
ma'am.
Next.
The public prosecutor defends the accused. No,
Is false.
ma'am,
False.
it is false, ma'am, because it defends the
Defense.
state.
Yes. So the defense lawyer defend. It is the defense lawyer who defends the accused, and the public prosecutor defends the
Ma'am, defends the state.
state.
Yes,
Very
ma'am.
good. Very good.
The
Next.
inspector supervises about 10 stations.
True or false? बताओ.
Ma'am, it is
True. It is true.
okay, ma'am.
Fine.
The inspector supervises. Okay,
Next.
ma'am.
The next one.
FIRs are registered only for
Cognizable.
non-cognizable offense.
False.
Yeah, ma'am, it is false.
हाँ,
Yes,
it is
ma'am.
registered for both, and it is cognizable. Okay,
Yes,
beta.
ma'am.
Next.
Okay, ma'am. If the FIR is not registered, a written complaint must be sent in writing to the magistrate. Yes, ma'am, it is true. Ma'am, because if FIR is not written, but ma'am, we can give a written complaint to the magistrate. It is true.
बेटा अभी हम लोगों ने अभी ब्लैंक करा है ना, तो उसमें हमने सुपरिटेंडेंट ऑफ पुलिस पढ़ा था ना.
Yes, ma'am.
तो एसपी को भेजते हैं, मजिस्ट्रेट को डायरेक्टली नहीं भेजते हैं हम, है ना.
Okay, ma'am.
हाँ. जब सुपरिटेंडेंट ऑफ पुलिस उस पर एक्शन नहीं लेता है तब हम मजिस्ट्रेट को लिखते हैं बेटा. ठीक है.
Okay, ma'am.
हाँ. Now coming to answer the, I hope everybody has marked these exercises.
Yes, ma'am.
Fine. Now coming to the short answers. How much time do you need to do this? Shall we start discussing directly?
I'm done.
Done? Yes, tell Danishka. First answer, can you tell? Can you tell, beta?
Ma'am, can I?
Yes, beta Parth, batao.
What is the full form of FIR? Ma'am, the full form of FIR is First Information Report. And why is it called so? Ma'am, it is called so that the report pertaining to the occurrence of a cognizable offense received at the police station. Yes, ma'am. And ma'am, it is the first information about the offense, so it is called so. Excuse me, ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am.
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 Excuse me,